Thank you very much for giving me voice. Today I will be talking about substitute for bilbil in treatment, which is used in traditional Chinese medicine. The work is published in Evidence Base of Contemporary and Alternative Medicine. This is published in 2016, but addresses the important case of Chinese medicine, which uses many animal derivatives that causing many of these animals are endangered species. Therefore, to continue this cultivation of this medicine progress of Chinese, we need to substitute with something more vegetal or more plant for what have similar properties, similar composition like bilbil. The work is entitled Substitutes for bilbil for the treatment of liver diseases, research progress and future perspective. The work is made by cooperation of the University of Hong Kong, this think tank. The bilbil has a well-known Chinese medicine for thousands of years because of endangered species protection. The concepts on specificity for bilbil developed decades ago based on the chemical composition and pharmacological actions, artificial bile for the therapeutic purpose. Bilbil is the dried gallbladder bile collected from the nectar and the bulb are the other species of oxidase under the category of animal drugs in traditional Chinese medicine. Among the classic prescription of traditional Chinese medicine, there are 396 prescriptions of bilbil in cold medicine and bitter flavor, cool in nature, and the meridian of liver, gallbladder, heart, so it could clear head, relieve toxin. This is something pharmacology studies claim that bilbil has a wide range of pharmacological actions, including hepatoprotection, antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammation, and hypoglycemic. The traditional Chinese medicine clinical bilbil was used in favor fighting detoxification, reduction of inflammation, swelling, and pain. Bilbil shows striking abilities to reduce liver thickness and liver hepatitis. There is pathological phenomena with viewpoint of Chinese phenomena very good medicine. The first concern is the extensive consumption of bilbil in China and other Asian countries has made bears become endangered species there. Other bears are listed on Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species. The illegal abuse of innocent bear for huge profits worldwide is continuing. The second concern is extremely cruel human battle for extermination from living bear. The extraction made from a free-breathing fistula technique is inserting the catheter into the bear gallbladder to drain the bile daily was applied in thousands of bilbil extraction factors. It was thought to be great technology and progress to unpeel the beer to get the bile, drain bile from the living bear. Now this actually is torture, which makes not kill but make the pain worse than death, suffering traumatic positions, and such bile has worse properties. The reason of underlying issues mainly caused by not only legal protection of bears. The artificial bile for other animals made from herbs could be protective for this endangered species. For decades, extensive research has been performed to qualify and quantify the composition of bile, especially the total and individual bile acids. Modern chemical research indicated that bile was composed primarily of bile acid, phospholipids, and cholesterol. The measure of this cholesterol is the dependence of how of bile diets. For example, in Brazil, in Croatia, which are living, which 95% of nutrients are foods, the bile fat content was much less, especially of saturated acids, which are most useful in medicine of Chinese. Then compound the activities as antibacterial, antipyretic, shows the thrombosis fighting for fibroid disease. The bile produced by hepatocytes to digest fat is playing through important physiological and pathophysiological role in body. The lack of this order, especially bile acids and bile salts, cause fat digestion problems and related hepatobiliary diseases. Clinically, bile is widely used not only with hepatobiliary diseases but also for other liver diseases. In traditional clinical practices, bile was used in the cure of landmarks of liver fire and methods of eyes into liver heat. The hepatitis C is leading liver disease worldwide and have been investigated and studied. There is found that potentially of powder has a wide anti-hepatitis drug, relieving infection, partially modulating pathway, but the specific mechanisms and pathways are still not known. With regard to alcoholic injury, bile initially also show protective and plays some curing. There is some suppression activity of heart cells. Injured head plastic is also some initial stage of cancer. Therefore, the black show effect that certain fibrosis induced by different factors, including chloroform, bile, and alcohol. This additionally, the combined treatment of bile powder in cancer lesion metastasis. A basis, a liver damage is setting metastasis. SNAC leads as side effects glucose cancer cells, thereby as a prevention of liver cancer as therapy for the same. With regard to the kind of specific slate extracted from pig is actually different from that of the bear. The remarkably chemical composition of mouth is observed. Meanwhile, the composition of bile is complex research. Change is traditional medicinal plants, that may be looked for alternatives, as for example, Dangshan, Xingshan, Panax solis can be invention in mixture can be substituted. So however, some alternative medicine traditionalist doctors says it cannot be replaced. The contents of these three plants in the mixture is similar to bile and have similar effects on interleukin 6 promoter and activities, making protective for liver similarly to this of bile pie. This shows the challenges is still to make more develop more similar and still is work and finding why such bile is in some cases treatment. Today's government makes the plays important role to development built by substitute. Chinese government make big funding for replacing bile. Therefore, is acknowledged. and challenges, whereby substitute depends on collaboration efforts. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening.